Welcome to Epale. In this tutorial video, you'll be guided through the process of creating and publishing content. Specifically, you will learn how to publish a blog post, a news item, a discussion, and a resource using the content creation form. Navigate to the right section. To access the blog post section, go to the home page. Open the Contribute menu and click on Blog. To access News, select the News section from the same menu. To create a blog post or a news item, click on Add New Post. To create a discussion, go to the Collaborate menu and click on Discussions. Then, click on Add New Discussion. To upload a resource, go to the Learn menu and click on Resource Center. Then, click on Add New Resource. You are now ready to start creating content on Epale. Let's go through the content creation form. It follows the same structure for all content types. However, some steps vary depending on the type of content you are creating. Let's look at each case step by step. Before you start creating your content, make sure you check the contributor guidelines in the top left corner of the page to ensure your content complies with guidelines. Let's start drafting. To publish blog posts or news items, the content creation form includes 4 steps. Step 1. Get started. In this step, you are asked to enter the title of your post. Keep it clear and engaging. Then select the language of your post. When you are done, scroll down and click Next Step. Step 2. Add a visual. Images make your post more engaging. In this section, you can upload a cover image for your content. Make sure you follow the recommended image ratio so your post displays correctly on Epale. Click Add Image and browse your device or the media library. To upload your image correctly, follow these steps. Add a name, alternative text, and a title. If it is an original image you have created, tick This is my own work. Then click Save and Insert Selected. If it is not an image you have created, scroll down and tick the Attribution Disclaimer. Then add the source of the image and select one of the modification options below. Then click Save and Insert Selected. You are now ready for the next step. Step 3. Write your post. In this section, the first step is to write a short, engaging teaser to attract readers. It will appear below the title in the final draft. Next, you can write the main body of your content in the box below. The image you added will appear at the top of this section. You can keep it or remove it if you only want it to appear in the article preview. If you keep it, you can write your body text below the image. Feel free to use the toolbar to add formatting, links, or additional images. Then move on to the next step. Step 4. Final touches. In this section, you are asked to add themes to help users find your content more easily. You will find several categories to choose from. Make sure you use them, as they help your content reach a wider audience. There are primary themes as well as related secondary themes. You can also add attachments by clicking on Add Media. Please note that only audio and document formats are supported, not images. You are also encouraged to tick the Erasmus Plus option if your content is related to an Erasmus Plus project. At any point, you can save your draft and return to it later by clicking Save as Draft. You can also use the Preview option to see how your article will look when published. To exit preview mode, click Back to Content Editing. When you are done writing and editing your content, click Save and Submit. This will send your content for moderation. This is the final step to submit your contribution and have it published on Epale. Drafting a discussion. Next, let's look at the differences when publishing a discussion. In this case, the form includes 3 steps. The first step, Get Started, is the same as in the blog post and news forms. You are asked to add a title and select the language of the post. The second step, Write Your Post, includes the same features as before. However, the teaser and body text fields are not mandatory for discussions. If you wish to add an image within the body text, you can use the toolbar to do so. Attribution settings remain the same as described earlier. The third step, Final Touches, is the final step and allows you only to add themes. At any point, you can save your draft and return to it later, preview it, or submit it, just as in the blog post and news forms. Drafting a resource. Lastly, to publish a resource in the Resource Centre, the Content Creation Form includes 5 steps. Step 1. Get started. In this step, you are asked to add a title, language, and the country of your post as an additional field. Then scroll down and click Next Step. Step 2. Add a visual. In this case, you can upload a cover image for your content with no specific size ratio required. Click Add Image and browse your device or the media library. Then follow the attribution settings as described previously and proceed to the next step. Step 3. Write your post. This step is the same as in the blog post and news sections. You are asked to add a teaser and the body text, then you can proceed. Step 4. Resource information. This is a new step available only in the Resource Centre. It includes optional fields, which you are encouraged to complete if you have the relevant information. Then proceed to the final step. Step 5. Final Touches. In this final step, in addition to the previous steps, you can indicate the language of the document and the type of resource you are uploading. These are optional fields, but you are encouraged to complete them if applicable. You are now ready to save and submit your resource. Thank you for your valuable contribution to the platform. Epale continues to grow and gather meaningful content thanks to you. Keep posting, sharing, and commenting on Epale.